Hello and welcome back to another fun card making video. Today I'll be showing you some cards which I was inspired by frames. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So apart from the two cards that I just showed, I would also like to show you two other cards which are really cute and fun that I made with frames in my mind. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such fun card making videos. If this video inspires you, please do hit the like button. You can also follow me on Instagram at kenchi.school. Bye bye.